Hi guys, this is just a quick demo video about A Drive. So wait, I'll sign up first. So A Drive's basic plan offers us individual users 50 GB of online storage and backup for all file types, including access to our basic service features, all for free. So wait, explore. So with our basic plan, you will have the essentials to store, share, and edit your documents online. So here it is. So if you want to upload your file, just click upload file slash directories. Then just click add. Then choose the document that you want to upload. For example, codes. Then upload. Then ayun na. So codes.txt. So this was the file that you want to upload a while ago. So ito na siya. So we should try A Drive, guys. Malaking tulong talaga.